Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to sign your PDF document in Google Chrome for free and in less than 4 minutes. Make sure you are using updated Chrome version, but for most Windows and other operating systems, it is updated automatically once you are connected on the internet. So let's get into it. If you are new here, please consider subscribing so that you will get notified of any new tip posted. Let's start. First, get where you have your PDF document saved in your PC. So for me, I have mine in the document. So I'll get to Documents. This is the document I want to sign. Click on it to select it. Right-click on it and select Open in Chrome. As you can see, the document is now open in Google Chrome. To sign it, go up and select the draw icon. I hope you can see it here. At the right-hand side, select your pen. Of course, there is option for you to highlight any portion of your document. Also, the last option here is an eraser. You can use this to erase the added signature if you think it wasn't properly signed. So we will select pen since we want to sign a PDF document. Also, choose pen size by selecting from here. You can test the sizes by signing with each one. If you are okay with that, select your preferred pen size and then pick signature color from the displayed colors, whether black, red, blue. Black is selected by default.
Just make your choice and then draw your signature in the preferred place. So here, I will go with red color. If your PC is screen touch, you can still use your finger to sign. Our signature is now created. So once that is done, the next step is to save the file. To do that, just click on the download icon at the top right, and then you see the option to save with or without changes. So I want to go with Save with Changes in order to retain our added signature. So once that is selected, a new Windows prompt for you to name the files will appear, as you can see. So go ahead and name or save it with any name of your choice. Finally, choose the location or folder you want to save your signed document in. Let's save our PDF in Documents folder. And it is done. Let's open it to verify. You can see it is here. The good thing about this tip is that it can be done both offline and online. Please, if you find value in this tutorial, hit the subscribe button, like and share to your colleagues who might need these important tips. Thanks for your support.